In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Text correction options are really helpful and full of amazing options that make typing really easy and fun. The only problem is they're really difficult to find, but I will show you exactly how to locate them, and I can even assure you you will find them on your OPPO. First, open Settings. Then scroll all the way down to hit System and Update. Now click on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards. And finally, Gboard. Now it's time to click on Text Correction and check out all of those cool options. You can tap on switches right next to them to turn them on or off. If you want to access text correction options much faster in the future, make sure this switcher next to Show Suggestion strip is blue. Then you can exit Settings, launch your keyboard, and hit gear icon at the top of it to tap on text correction settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!